Hello guys, it's good to have you. As a matter of fact, GIS the compile is on a mission to always bring to you good stuff that will enhance your data processing or analysis skills. GIS to promote a sustainable environment. It's going to be a short video, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to download digital street map of any part of the world or for any country, and this is going to be for free. Okay. The downloaded street map features will include, but not limited to, road network, railway connections, rivers, water catchment, and notable building passes like a place of worship, factories, and some notable features. All right. Yes, before we proceed, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you are yet to do so. Always like, share, and turn on the notification bell for insightful updates. Anyway, enough for this self-promotion. Let's get into the work of today. Okay, you are going to open up your web browser, and in the description of this video, I'll be dropping down the link to this particular page, OpenStreetMap.org. As you can see, the display center in Nigeria. Okay, you can see up here where we have the map equals to the latitude and the longitude description of the center of this display. And if you have any location of your interest or port of interest, you can key in the value here, then it can take you straight to that particular location. And like I mentioned, the downloading is going to be for free. You don't need to actually sign up or log in. All right, so you're going to see on this side we have OpenStreetMap is a map of the world created by people like you and free to use under an open license. All right, you go straight to where we have here export. You're going to click on export. Now it loads up the extent as you can see on this side, and if you go down, there's an error message here telling us that this area is too large to be exported as OpenStreetMap XML data. So it's expecting us to zoom to a certain portion, just a small portion of the display, then we can have the extent available to be downloaded within this area. Okay, but like I said, we are interested in the entire Nigeria, so we go down on this left hand side. You can see overpass API. If you're working in an environment that you need the API to gain access to all these features, the display feature of the map, then you can use this overpass APIs for option. Now if you see planning OSM, we are not interested in this because what we are interested in now is GeoFabric download, which is going to give us the street map features that's been described earlier. Is a regularly updated extract of continents, countries, and selected cities. So you're going to open up GeoFabric downloads. Now it open up this new page, and you can see sub-regions. Here we have Africa, Asia, Central America, Europe, and all that. Then if you look at these quick links, you can see osm.osm.pbf, which is approximately 6.4 gigabyte if you're going to download for the entire Africa, and in shapefile format, which is zip together, is not available for this particular continent or sub-region. And this, so you're going to expand this Africa option. Then in this Africa option, you can see the commonly used format, like explain is this. So you go straight down to where we have sub-regions because we're interested in Nigeria. We go straight to here that we have Nigeria. You can see the .osm.pbf format is 535 megabyte, and the zip file and this other format. So you're going to expand Nigeria as well. So now here in Nigeria, you can see the commonly used data. We have this format again, and we have this dot shapefile.zip. The features are in shapefile format and have been zipped together. So when you download, you just unzip and you use them accordingly. So if you look at this option, we have it here, which is, like I mentioned, is 535. Then you can see the last updated feature is 8 hours ago on this side, but for this one we want to download, the last updated feature is 7 hours ago, and this is the file size 1.5 gigabytes. So if you have that network capacity to download this, you go ahead and download this. For this sake of this video, I'm downloading this right away to use in a GIS environment. Okay, I'm going to click now and the download will begin. So as soon as the download completes, I'm going to open in a GIS environment for you to see the displays of some of these features that being described. Okay, here in our GIS environment, HackMap 10.8.2, I've added here a base map. This is Wall Street map, and then I've included all the features that we downloaded from OpenStreetMap before. We are going to open them one after the other, but before then, let's see the data type or feature type that are present in the layers. I'm going to expand. Here we have point features, point line, and polyline, here polygon. So now we're going to open them one after the other for Nigeria. So but for quick loading, let me try and I've created two bookmark for this, and I'm going to show you. This is Lagos. Let's see Lagos. Okay, this is Lagos as is. You can see a point feature, say transport, that is GIS OpenStreetMap transport free one, traffic free one, point of interest free one, like that, and waterways and so on. So this is transport free one, traffic point as well, bus stops, point of interest, point as well. Okay, place of worship presented as a point as well, and we have road, that is road free one. You can see the roads network and all that. Okay, let's see the road classification. We do that by opening the attribute table. Let's see the road classification, so you can classify them, symbolize them separately, and all that. It's coming up. Okay, you can see we have unclassified primary, right? They are all in polyline, primary, service, secondary, motorways, and all that. So you can actually classify the displays of the road, and also you have this street name, the road names, and all that. Okay, and for the railways, this is the railway present transport, the line that is a polygon as well, transport a free. This area doesn't have much, but there are things, few of them present. There are few of them present if you use identify tools. Or let's go to the bookmark of island. Let's go to Lagos Island bookmark. Okay, here we have it. You can see it's one of them. See helipad, Lekki Island. So that is for transport. Okay, and this is waterways. You can see the waterways, like the rivers and the lagoon present in that area, the waterways. That's just a polyline. But let's see what we have here. Water A3 is actually a polygon of the waterway, you can see, and includes so many other regions like the lagoon and all that. Okay, so it's a polygon of the waterway. And you see traffic here, point of interest as well, natural. Let's see what we have here. And that's the natural free, nothing is present for this as is the place. Let's see place, I think it's the entire region. Let's see point of interest. Yes, several point of interest here. If you click there, what do we have here? This is a golf course. You can see Ikoyi Club golf course. So let's see what we have here. This is marketplace, Jankara market. So this one now shows us the point of interest. Okay, let's see what we have here. Churches and mosques are being presented as well. And let's see land use. Okay, this is the land use coming up. So you see the land use represent. Okay, you see the land use, and this is, let's see buildings. of this land use. The buildings are loading as well. Let's go straight to where we have Thailand here. Depending on the capacity of your machine, it's something that will definitely take time. So, but for you to work faster, you might need to clip to this region so that you keep focusing on those regions of interest for easy working environment and save you time and all that. So the building, you can see A32 and A31. Okay, they just use that maybe to differentiate the update and all that. Okay, that is all that for this video. Okay, so thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye.